Hi guys, Jennifer here from Beauty is Virtue, and I have a quick project share. I'm about to drop this off at a friend of mine who needed a wedding hanger for one of her family members who's getting married, and so I wanted to make her a hanger real quick. And it's a very simple hanger, but because this is actually going to be holding a wedding dress, it has to be where nothing's going to get caught, you know what I mean? The dress is not going to get caught and get ruined. So I just made sure that it was very pretty, but it will not detract from the dress. So anyway, I made this hanger by using some really pretty lace, which I didn't bring over, so let me grab that. Sorry about that. So I had this lace that looks like this. So you can see that it's real pretty. It's very thin, but it has a really nice edging. And so I used that here, and then I wrapped it around the back. And by wrapping, I wrapped it around the back and then tucked it in here so that it wouldn't be seen, the edge wouldn't be seen. So I don't know if you can see that, but you can't see where I tucked it in at all. So that's what I did there. And then I added these really pretty Aurora Borealis blings there. I added an applique here, and it's an ivory color. And then I added this beautiful heart bling, which Natalie put some bling on it, gifted me. And then these birds, because her wedding theme is the little kissing birds. So what I did was I layered chipboard and paper, and I made two little birds kissing each other out of my Stampin' Up! Punch, and then a little cute little bow to make this the girl. And then I hung some lace from here, and then to cover it, I put some more lace here to kind of finish that off. And then I also put another applique back here. So what was once a very plain and ordinary hanger is now a pretty wedding hanger. So I hope that you enjoyed that. Hopefully you can see what I did there. I added the frontage on the birds. And then I added some bling for the eyes. And I think it turned out pretty good. It's really cute, I think. So hopefully you can see all that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I will be back soon with a new project. Bye now.